What's up, y'all? I'm here again with y'all for another unboxing, number 2, or I guess unpackaging, number 2, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be looking at something I just picked up today. Let's get to it. But before I do, of course, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Do that because we're growing and I want to keep it going, right? Like the video, of course. Comment and watch it all the way through. And I like when y'all comment. Y'all been doing that. I appreciate it. I like interacting with y'all, getting to know y'all, etc. Right, so let's get to it. All right, got my package. Get that out. Oop. Okay, never mind. Here we go. Okay. All right, bunch of stuff. All right, so I wanted to show y'all these are my speed loaders. This is what I use for my revolvers. I just picked these up today, literally. I get them from a company called Star Firearms. Let me see if I can get that up there. Yeah, 5 Star is pretty solid. I like them. I've looked into a few other speed loaders. These are probably the best ones I've found, and I like them. They're durable. No complaints from me. Let's get that out. There we go. Now, 5 Star offers these for a lot of different revolvers, a lot of different calibers, and different colors. I got the blue, and if you've seen in some of my other videos, I have like gold and silver, red. They're really nice. Also, let me put this up there so y'all can see that. I'm sure y'all know this anyway, but I bought it myself, so y'all know this wasn't given to me for free. But these are it. The way they work, they're just another way to retain revolver ammo on your person. So for a pistol, you would have a magazine holster. For revolvers, you have these. Now, the way they work is they're pretty simple. You twist them counterclockwise to open them, clockwise to lock the rounds in. So I'm gonna demonstrate that for y'all right now. I got a couple of different examples of ammo and dummy rounds. I have these snap caps. These are just fake rounds. They're not real, just piece of metal, nothing fancy. They're from Zoom. They mix some pretty good stuff. I like their practice rounds. You would just use these for when you're doing dry fire at the house, right? You obviously don't want to practice with real ammo or anything like that. So that's what these are for. They're pretty rock solid. I found these recently. They're polymer tipped. So frangible? I don't know, but they're from a company called House of Pain. They're for the 500 Magnum. And I have this right here. This stuff hurts. I'm just gonna say that. So, but let me demonstrate for y'all. So the way it works, again, I'm gonna take the ammo, twist it, open it. The rounds fall right in, literally. And 5. Then you twist it, lock it in. It's not coming out. All right, so I wanted to pause for a second and let y'all know. So what you're about to see is me fail badly. So I'm gonna drop these, and the rounds do fall out. But that's because I didn't fully put them in and lock them. So, you know, I ain't gonna fake y'all or anything like that. I want y'all to see, like, hey, when I make mistakes, it is what it is. But I do want y'all to know that these speed loaders are rock solid. They don't mess up like that. That don't ever happen. I just had a blind moment, whatever. But anyways, let's continue on. All right. Now, I'm not going to do like a durability test or anything like that, but you can see I'll just... Ooh, that's not good. I'm going to do a durability test. I'm not going to do a durability test, but you can see they're not coming out. All right, no issues. I'm not going to throw these. I value the stuff that I buy, but you can see the rounds did not come out. So take them out. All right, I'm going to try the polymer rounds or frangible ammo. I can't wait to shoot this stuff. I have never shot this. Never even heard of it in 500 Magnum, but let's see. All right, got them in. Not coming out. Boom. All right. I'm gonna just dump them out, whatever. Now I'm gonna do the other one. I think they're in, let's see. Yep, I think they're in, yep, okay. Okay. Boom. Dummy rounds, nothing coming out. This is what I use, very, very good stuff. I also have my speed loader pouches. Now, I bought these from 5 Star Firearms, but they're from a company called Wilderness Tactical. Let me see if I can get that in there. Yeah, there we go. So, they're pretty good. You would put these on your belt or whatever it is you're carrying them on, and this is how they work. They just go right in there. Boom, right? Easy access, get them out. Now, I'm gonna demonstrate how these will work in a revolver. So this is my Smith & Wesson 500 Magnum. Let's empty it, of course, or make sure it's empty. I know it is, but for you all, nothing in there. The way it works is you take the speed loader, you put it into the cylinder, get it in there, twist it. See if I can get it twisted. The rounds come right out. And then to take them out, press the cylinder latch, open it, extract the rod. All right, take them out if you need to. All right. Sometimes one gets stuck. Here we go. But yeah, that's my quick little review of these. I like these a lot. I recommend them. If you're a revolver person and you're looking for some solid speed loaders, these are it. They are durable. These are the only ones I get. I've tried a few other companies, Speed Bees and a couple others. They kind of sucked. These don't. But that's what I think. It's what I like. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Subscribe, like the video. Look out for that full review of my Taurus, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.